Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, here in this video we're going to show you a very useful technique of how to send very large files which cannot be sent by your favorite Gmail. You should know that Gmail can only send a maximum up to 25 MB of file size to another mail. But in this method you can send probably up to 13 GB of files, or you can share this with multiple email IDs. So yes, I'm talking about Google Drive. Please use this technique to easily send your file to the person you want. So without wasting any time, let's go and find that process how to do that. So first of all, you have to open your Google Drive. I'm opening my Google Chrome here. I'll show you when you open the Google Chrome. You can see there's 9 dots here in this screen, and here a triangle kind of icon will come. This is the Google Drive. Either you can do that, or you can directly type in Google Drive, Google Drive in the search bar, and see what's coming here. You can see the same triangle is coming. Just press this, click on this drive, go to Drive. So once you go, it will ask you for it will ask you for signing in. So since I have already signed in through my Gmail ID, I have already logged in my Google Chrome browser in my Gmail, so I need not do it once again. So it is directly taking me to that Google Drive page. If you haven't signed in to your Google or Google Chrome browser, it will ask for signing in first. So please sign in. And of course, most of the people right now in their personal laptops, they would have anyway signed in at any point of time. So directly it will come to your email ID, sign in your own Google Mail ID. So as it is shown here, this topmost right corner of your window, Google window, as you can see this purple color, some color, it is purple for me, but it could be some other color also. So here you can see this is the front page of Google Drive. As you can see, there are like 2 files in my Google Drive of that email ID. For example, I want to share a big file, a big media file to one of my friends' email ID. So let us see the process how we do that. So I'll minimize this. For example, this is, you can see by properties, it is something like 295 MB, which can never be shared by any mail or any Gmail or any other mail at present. So this is one of the best option, that is to send it through Google Drive. So I'll do that here. So I'll open it again. I'll just resize it here. So in Google Drive, if you want to like paste something, you can like press or click this option, as you can see it here, leftmost corner of your window, plus here some options will come like folder, file upload, folder upload. You can directly upload a folder also, but here for now I'll just upload a file, a media file. So I'll click here. Once I click, it will take me to the browser page. I'll go to desktop and I'll select my file here. So in desktop it was like vid something file name. Okay, this is the file that I want to upload it into my Google Drive and then share it to my Gmail, to my friend's Gmail ID. So I select this. Once I select, you can see it is uploading one item. So very fast it is uploading thanks to my fast broadband. Less than a minute left. Let us see how much time it is taking to completely upload the file. So as you can see here, the file has been uploaded. One upload complete. So I'll click here, cross, fine. So as you can see, the file has been uploaded. A files of something around 300 MB of file size have been uploaded. Send this file to my friend email ID. To do that, you have to click the file. Just when you click this file, you can see all the options coming over here. Please observe it carefully. Once you click on this file, all the options will come up here. Like you can get a shareable link, share video, preview, remove or delete. All these things will come, and in the 3 dots there are many other options like open with your application, add shortcut to Drive, move to, all these things. So our main our main concern is here. Either you can get a shareable link, I'll explain to you later. This is the one you have to select. Share this video whatever you're saying, vid, share this file, mp4 file. So I click here. Once I do this, it will ask me for an email id, add people and groups. So once I add means I'll write their email id. So this is the email id or of my friend to whom I want to send. And one message you can write like, please look into my video. You can send a message also. And here finally you can simply click this send button. Before that, I would like to say that here in the setting you can click and see what are the options coming, like editors can change permissions and share, viewers and commentators can see the option to download, print and copy. So I have ticked both of this. So I have given full privilege to my friend to do whatever with this video. If you don't want that they can share, you can unclick this. If at all you don't want this file to be downloaded also, you can uncheck this also. But I want full privilege. I don't want anything, this is not a very sensitive file. I just want to send this and let my friend use it as well. So I'll just click both of this as it was there by default. I'll go back. So here simply I will send it. Once I click send here, the file has been mailed or sent to my friend's email id. So let's check. Fortunately my friend is also available here. Well, he will be logging in his email id. Let's see whether the file has come or not. Let's see. So I'll go to his Gmail. So once I do that, yeah, one mail has come from my email, and once I click that mail, you can see the video. I think the link has come. Please look into my video. The message has also come, and when I open, you can see it is opening the video. I can click download here. So instead of opening, I'm straight away downloading the video. It is saying again, Google Drive can't scan this file for viruses since it is too large, like 295 MB for Google to scan for viruses. Would you still like to download this file? Since it has been sent by me only, so I'm pretty confident that it doesn't have any virus. So download anyway. I'll do download. Click download. So let's see whether it is downloading. Yeah, it has started downloading. So you can see with the split of a second, I could just send a very large file to my friend by using Google Drive. So this is how you should do or should send very large file on Google Drive. There is another option I had said earlier that I will show you. You can even get a shareable link of this file once you click this. And one more thing, please don't forget to click this. You should see instead of these two files, you are clicking this file and going to this option, and you can very well see that there's a blue shed coming here, indicating that this is the active file that you want to share, or else some other file will get shared. So please be careful before doing this. So once you click here and click this get shareable link, one link will be created. So copy this link, or so once you got this link, only people can open with this link, restricted. Okay, only people added can open with this link. Or else if it is anyone with this link, anyone who gets this link by WhatsApp, email, or by any medium, they can open the link. So you can either restrict it only with anyone with the link. I think this would be a quite safer option. So I'll click this and press done. So friends, that is it. I hope this video was quite useful in this present days when you have to share, or many times you feel like sharing large files. You wish you had a larger space for sending through mail, but if it is not mail, you can always follow this process and send large files through Google Drive. So friend, that's it. I hope this video was quite useful. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So friends, till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.